This metal processing and recycling company operates a large-scale metal shredder at one of its facilities, used to recycle scrap vehicles and a wide range of other metal items. The recycling company contacted an acoustical solutions provider to address noise concerns stemming from the facility's proximity to a residential community. The metal shredder and heavy equipment were generating significant noise disruption for nearby residents. The solution also needed to withstand harsh freeze-thaw weather conditions, while remaining visually appealing to the neighbouring community. The acoustical solutions providing company recommended Fibergrate's SoundScape Wall System to address the noise pollution concerns. Its lightweight design required no heavy craning, making installation straightforward. The wall effectively reduced noise levels for the surrounding community. Its inherent corrosion resistance ensures it will not rust, rot, or degrade under harsh freeze-thaw conditions. This durability translates directly into a long service life, reducing the need for costly replacements. The SoundScape Wall System proved to be the ideal solution, addressing both noise and environmental concerns. Its durability, low maintenance, and appealing design help preserve a positive relationship with the surrounding community, while delivering long-term performance and value for the facility. If you would like to learn more about how Fibergrate GRP products will help you build the world to last, visit our website.